If you guys watched the movie called Animal Film, in which where Ranveer Kapoor takes a gun and goes to the classroom for shooting a guy because his sister was bullied by the guy. What if I say the same incident happened? What what does it happened in a movie? I would say no. It happened in real life. A guy took a gun and went to the classroom and shot many people. Now, do you think saying that I'm saying a joke or something fiction? No, it is real. So, what was the reason behind the shooting? Why did he shoot? Who was a guy shooting? So, want to know about this thing? Watch the video fully. So, that you and I will be astonished. What is this news actually? So, hi guys, my name is Darshan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Maybe Squad. For more informative contents, subscribe my channel. If you guys are new, same subscribe my channel and like my channel and see my future videos or lot of information, a lot of other not only locally, national, international, everywhere. So watch the full video. This incident took place in Gaza in Austria. People who doesn't know what is Gaza in Austria, a small description about it. So Gaza, not for Gaza, it's Gaza, not Austria, it's Austria. So Gaza is a city where it's located inside Austria. Now Austria means Austria is a country where it's located under the Europe. So if you guys, for example, Bangalore is a city where it's located inside the Karnataka. Karnataka state is located inside the India. India is which is located inside the continent of Asia. This is what the small description what I've come to say. So it'll be easy for you guys to understand. So in this place, Gaza, there's a school called same the school name is Gaza School. So this school basically this school many students yeah there are many students who are educating themselves and they are going. So s- it was just a normal peaceful another day. Every students was going for the school and at same 9:50 at this and at 5 a.m. So a guy called name is called author. So he when he went to the school, so he has a 21-year-old boy, and it was happened on June 10th, 2025. After the entry of the guy, the 20-year-old boy author, after he entered the school, after the 10 minutes later, the open fire shoot happened. Now, why did it happen? What happened? So he started shooting this gun and nearly 10 people were killed in his classroom and 11 were injured. So now, why did he kill? The second question. And how did he get the gun? Is the third question. So, if you guys doesn't know about a country, about other countries is different thing. About this country in European side, it's literally different. If you see many films, many local people also in the having gun, which is licensed by the government itself. Same here also in Austria country, where people can have their own gun. So they can have their own gun for their own use also, own purpose also, with the license or the permission of the government. So each and every public can have a gun. So this guy called a Hotter, he had a gun which he shooted. The gun name is the Glock 19 semi-automatic pistol and a shotgun. So these two guns where he took advantage with a legal and licensed gun and he shot the people. Now what was police was doing? At next moment of next 17 minutes, police were restored all the things and it went to the place of situation of more tragedy and other things went to the calm place. So when after he shooted many securities and other people started suppressing him and saying other people's and other next minutes when police also arrived and did all the necessary requirement for the people who has to be done. So the next question is, uh, now what? Why was the intention for killing this much people? And never history never took place in Austria for killing so many people innocently. Or why did he kill? So this is what actually the reason. It was not actual reason. This is a news and public response which they given, but the police have not confirmly said this. This is the reason, but the reason behind it, um, he had a many. He's an introvert person. So basically, if you go for a school, there are a lot of people. There are extroverts who play well, who communicate well, and who does everything. But he was a guy who was introvert actually. So he was an introvert guy. Basically, He doesn't involvement with every people, and he get lot of bullies in his school. So this is what actually I triggered me and made this wheel actually. So I'll come later part of you. So why was the bully? So he got bullied. So for that revenge and other purpose things, he went and shot these people. But it was not only students, so shot by even the teacher also. He shot even the teacher also. So this was something different thing, but there's no support and proof evidence supporting that this was the reason, but this can't one of the reason why media and public was today. So next thing is how what was the response from the school? So as it was a normal day, uh, after this tragedy happened, that school chancellor has announced a black day for the entire country, for the school and also. So this made everyone sad, and he was taken under the custody, and lot of information investigation is started going on as of now. So, but one thing at the conclusion I want to say is why did I choose this topic? Because this topic was not about the boy killing him or other persons, and not just because he was intentionally, he's not serial killer, he's not a mentally ill or something else. He's a psychology student, basically. So he did not have any illness also. He knows psychology how it works actually. So basically then why did he kill? Because of the bulliness? Yes. That what made me triggered to make this video. So business it's not only happens in your school, in your college, or in your country also. It happens all over the world. The bulliness happen. If you go for Japan, there's bulliness happen. If you go to America, lot of bulliness they really happen actually. So that's what started bulliness. So what is bulliness? Bulliness is nothing but you just dragging people because you're superior than them. You think you're greater than them. You can do whatever you need. There's no words, there's no people to ask him. If asked means you may do something which is people see him and laugh. The first thing I want to say is, who are you guys to bully him? Did you guys pay his fees? Did you guys raise him? No, right? So why? For what reason? That is the biggest question. If someone believes you next time, try to same for the authority people who's higher official, so that this doesn't happen. There are a lot of bulliness, lot of things happen even in India, and a lot of people also died because of that thing. You see recent case even in Kerala also happened the bulliness, which four hostel people were bullied, and before past you go, there are a lot of bulliness. A girl has been died also in Tamil Nadu. I'm not joking. Just take the past history and come to know in news. That's the truth actually. Because of one bulliness, it may be fun for you guys. Maybe it may enjoyable for you, but somewhat you wanna hurt because of that. And that becomes the biggest reason total the life. And nobody has no right to kill the life and take the life because of name of anything it can be. So this is why the Human Rights Commission also comes into your act, and you has to, a student and everyone public has to come to know that human rights will also, and the that country's law also will not allow to do such things. So guys, share for maximum. This thing should not happen. This can be somewhere in other country, somewhere in other. Why should I come to know? Because it's happened in your friend of yours. Or a student is getting killed. Maybe some other place, but even bullying has happened in your countries, your state, in your school also. Don't. So what will happen? Use this comment section as a note for the bulliness, because if you guys get bullied since your same school, mention the school name of or name not. So guys are not mentioning also it's okay, but mention why, for what's it bullied, and for what can be remedy for the bulliness. So guys, I just say share a maximum. So bye. We meet you another video, same exciting videos. So stay next videos will be coming. Bye.